In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use default or custom sorting settings to organize your collection list in your design project. With these steps, you'll not only improve the functionality of your site, but also enhance its aesthetic appeal and usability for your viewers. Before we dive in, imagine the collection list as a vital component of your digital workspace, housing various items or pieces of content that need to be displayed in a particular order. How you choose to arrange these items can significantly impact how users experience your site. Now, let's get into the process of setting up your sort order preferences. Start by selecting the collection list element that appears on your canvas. This is where you'll make changes that dictate how information within this list appears to your audience. Once you've selected it, you'll need to move to the right-hand panel of your interface. This panel is your command center, offering a range of options to manipulate and customize elements on your site. Next, focus on the Element Settings tab found within this panel. Here you can find the collection list settings, which include various options tailored to your needs. What we're interested in today is the sort order feature. You'll notice a plus icon represented by the symbol +, ready for you to make your selection. This is where the magic begins. By clicking on that plus icon, you open the door to customizing how your collection is organized. The first thing you'll encounter is a drop-down menu. From this drop-down, you can choose the specific field you want to sort by. Selection of this field is crucial because it determines the basis of your sorting, whether that's by name, date, number, or another criteria available in your list. After deciding on the field, your next step involves the second drop-down menu. This menu allows you to fine-tune the order in which your chosen field is displayed. Do you want to go from A to Z, or perhaps Z to A? Maybe you prefer sorting from the smallest to largest number, or the reverse. Consider what makes the most sense for your site's purpose and your audience's needs. Once your preferences are set, remember to click Save to ensure all these settings are properly applied. Saving your work is always an essential step so you can secure the changes you've made. But don't stop there. Republishing your site lets you and your audience see these updates live. By republishing, you ensure every visitor to your site experiences the new, optimized organization you've worked on. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively use sorting settings to enhance the presentation and functionality of your collection list. This approach not only makes your site look more professional, but also ensures visitors can easily navigate and find the content they seek. Happy sorting!